What's up, everybody? It's your boy J Mac, and welcome to Bigfoot Input. I see you guys have been fooling around with the videos again, so let's set the record straight on this video right here.
What
We're
is
flying
that?
a drone. There's an obvious Sasquatch. He's walking nonchalantly, not really caring about the drone that's buzzing above his head. And this goes on. Anyway, this video is longer than what I'm showing you, but I'm only showing you the good part.
What the world?
If we go back to the original proprietor of this video, it's a channel called Ken's Carpentry. That's with two Ks. Ken Carpentry, KK. He owns a Sasquatch suit, and you'll see it in a lot of his videos. He does a lot of good videos about carpentry. If you're into that sort of thing, house building, he's got a good channel. But he's a hoaxer. He's a jokester, a prankster, goofster, gaffster, whatever. You'll see this Sasquatch appear in his videos often, walking through a shot or across the road. And in some of the scenes, it's very obviously a suit. Literally for comedic value, you can tell it's a suit, and he's not trying to fool anyone. In this particular video, well, it's a little misleading, and people are getting out of hand with it. And honestly, from that angle, it looks very plausible. But knowing where the video originated from, I can assure you that this is not real. So let's spread that instead of all the TikToks saying that this proves there's a Sasquatch and da-da-da. So anyway, it's a fake. Sorry to break your hearts, but it's true. That's it for me, guys. This is J Mac, out. Keep squatching.